Hi friends, this is Neha from SM Creatives and today I'm going to show you how to make a Mother's Day printable gift. We're going to be making this watercolor floral coat printable design on Pages or Microsoft Word if you're on Windows. And I think this is going to make a great Mother's Day gift. It's going to be something that's easy to make and it's going to be something that's unique that you've made it yourself. You can share this as a digital file with your mom, or even better, print it out as a wall art or print it on a surface like a magnet or on a card and gift it to your mom, and I think it'll make a great Mother's Day gift. Now this project is a digital DIY project. I know that when you search for Mother's Day gifts online, DIY Mother's Day gifts online, then you mostly come across paper craft projects. But if you want to make something yourself that's DIY and heartfelt, but without all the mess that comes with traditional paper craft projects, or say you just don't have the supplies and don't want to buy all of that just for one project, then a digital craft project like this is perfect for you. I'm going to be using these watercolor florals and this font. You can use any font that you wish really, or any artwork, but yeah, I'm going to be using these two. I'll link to these two items in the description below. Now first I'm going to show you where I've got my artwork from. I've got it from my website. Okay, this is from the Rosalina bundle. It's got lots of watercolor frames and wreaths like this, so I'm going to be using this. So what I'll do is I'll go back to Pages. I'm going to open a new document. Okay, open a blank document. Okay, just make it full size. I'm going to first go and do the page setup. Paper size, I'm going to go with a 5x7. If you want, you can go with a 4x6, especially if you're going to print it out on a magnet. I think that'll be a great size for putting up on your mom's fridge, but I'll go with 5x7 for this project. Click on OK. There we go. Just increase the size a little bit. Now first I'm going to place the artwork on the edges. Okay, so I'll go find my file. Here it is. I'll just drag and drop it. Just drag and drop it from the folder into Pages. There you go. I've placed it. Now with this artwork selected, click and drag at the corners. On Pages and Word, it enlarges the file size proportionately, so you don't really have to hold down the Shift key. And I find these guides very handy on Word and Pages. So just adjust the size. When you're happy with it, just click outside and the guides will go away. Okay. Now for the quote, what I've done is I've just Googled Mother's Day quote on Google and I like this one. So I'm going to be using this quote, but do remember that for personal use projects, it's fine to take a quote off of Google. But if you're going to be selling anything with this quote on it, then I recommend you do a thorough copyright and trademark check, because a lot of time quotes are copyrighted or trademarked and you're not free to use them. So please be careful about that when you're printing out quotes to sell. There you go. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on text and we get a text box. Now just you find these little boxes on the side. You can use them to adjust where your text will appear, because we don't really want it to appear on the florals. Okay, so first I'm just going to type out the text. Let's see what it is. Okay, I've typed out my text. Just going to select all of it and center align it. I'm going to change the font. Let's see. I'm going to change the font size. I'm going to use this font. Okay, now when I changed it to this font, you see some of the text went missing. So what I'm going to do is just going to drag it below, right, and delete this space so that all my text is inside this wreath. Okay, I'm going to change the color of this text. Maybe use a pink. Okay, I quite like it now. this way. If you want, you can add more text. It would be great if you had your own poem. You can choose a poem from somewhere and place it. Yeah, basically it's up to you what wording you want to use. But this is the way to create a digital design product. Now, our design is complete. Now to save it, we're going to export it as a PDF. You go to File, click on Export to PDF. Image quality best. Now this is very important because if you want to print something, then you want to have the best image quality here. That way you get a proper DPI for your prints. Just choose next and save it wherever you wish. Okay, that's it. This is the way to generate a digital printable DIY Mother's Day wall art gift. I hope you found this video useful and helpful, and I hope it has inspired you to create your own projects. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do plan to release more tutorials like this, and there are lots of other easy DIY tutorials on my channel. Feel free to take a look. Thank you.